Hello friends, this is Zack's pronunciation. This word can be pronounced in a couple of ways. The most common way is with one syllable. Pour, pour, pour. It means not having much money, low in quality, deserving sympathy. You can use it in sentences like the family was very poor but happy, or she made a poor decision. Poor, spelled P-O-O-R. Poor. This is the same pronunciation of the word spelled P-O-O-R and the word spelled P-O-U-R and P-O-R-E. Three different words, different meanings, but same pronunciation. Pour. P-O-U-R means you can use it in a sentence like please pour some tea into the cup. It means to make a liquid flow from one container to another. P-O-U-R. And P-O-R-E means a very small opening in the skin or another surface. In a sentence, this cream helps clean your pores. Pour. Three words, different spelling, same pronunciation. P-O-O-R, P-O-R-E, P-O-U-R. Pour. Same pronunciation, one syllable, pour. This is the most common way to pronounce the word spelled P-O-O-R. Pour. But some people do pronounce it with two syllables, pooer, pooer, and that's also fine. But the most common way is with one syllable, pour. Same pronunciation like P-O-U-R and P-O-R-E, different meanings but same pronunciation like P-O-O-R. Pour. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation to learn the pronunciation of different words.